page, and here's how to fill in those guided notes. First of all, review of terms. An infinitive is the most basic form of a verb, an infinitive. In Spanish, it will either end in AR, ER, or IR. Infinitives are made up of two parts, the stem and the ending. The endings of the verb are in bold in your notes, and the stems are underlined. So for the infinitive form, the endings are AR, ER, or IR. Okay, and then the stem is everything that comes before that. With regular verbs, regular, regular verbs, the stem does not change. But in Spanish, there's a group of verbs where the stem does change when the verb is conjugated. These are often referred to as, logically enough, stem-changing verbs. In Spanish, there are three main types of stem-changing verbs in the present tense. In one group, the E in the stem changes to IE. That's using the English descriptions of those letters. Say it differently, the A in the stem changes to YE, EA. Okay. You'll often see it written this way, E to IE, or A to EA. Examples, querer, to want, perder, to lose, preferir, to prefer, empezar, to begin, and comenzar, to begin, are all this type of stem-changing verbs, E to IE. In another group, the O in the stem changes to UE, so the O changes to way. You'll often see it written this way, O to UE. Ejemplos de este tipo de verbo. Volver, V-O-L-V-E-R, to return to a place. Devolver, D-E-V-O-L-V-E-R, to return a thing. Poder, to be able. And dormir, D-O-R-M-I-R, to sleep. The verb jugar, J-U-G-A-R, to play, is very similar to the O to UE stem changers, but instead the U, the U, changes to way. In the last group, the E in the stem changes to I. You'll often see it written as E and an arrow to I, or A to E, to give the letters their Spanish names. Ejemplos de esto, examples of this, pedir, to ask for, servir, to serve, seguir, to follow. Finally, last note, these stem changes do not, repeat, do not occur in all forms of the verb. They do not occur in the nosotros and vosotros forms. For this reason, if we chart the verbs in the usual way, you can draw a shoe or a boot shape around the forms of the verb that do have a vowel change in the stem. So for this reason, these verbs can also be referred to as shoe or boot verbs.